everybody, and welcome to another Christmas video! Today is video number 4. And today is, I'm gonna make what? Oh, also we got our tree up. So that's in the background now. But today we are doing, well, I am doing, we together are doing the original coat hanger decoration that started it all. Last year I actually saw a picture of a snowflake made out of coat hangers, and that's what I really wanted to do last year, and I never got around to doing it. But this year I'm going to do it. And I really wish I had bought white, but I still have the green. But at night when they're lit up, no one can tell anyway, right? What's a green snowflake? It's Christmas. It can be any color. Green is fine. But anyways, that's what we're gonna do That's what we're gonna do today, is make a coat hanger snowflake. So without further ado, let's get to it. And all that we're gonna need for this is our coat hangers, some zip ties, batteries, and our outdoor lights. So that is all that we'll need for making this snowflake. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna lay out the star pattern by putting put 2 of them together like so, back to back like that. And we're gonna zip tie them, so probably on both ends. And then you're gonna take the next one and you're gonna put it here like so, to where these line up. This little whole thing lines up just like that. And then you're gonna put the next one like back to back again. And then the next one, same thing. Just like that. And you can already start to see the star forming. It's pretty awesome, isn't it? I think so. And then you're gonna do the next one just like that. And the next one. Just like that. Ta-da! And you're just gonna keep doing that until it comes all the way around and makes your star. So did you catch what I was doing there? First one, it's just 2 of them back to back. Make sure that the hook is pointing down. Next one, still the hook facing down, but you're gonna put these 2 little markings together like so. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna finish putting that around, and then we will just zip tie them together. And the very first section, I just put the 2 pieces together and I just zip tied the top and the bottom. And on the second part, I just zip tied right up here above these little dooley whackers and then just below them. And there we go. We have our first section of star. And then we're just gonna repeat that all the way around. And here we are, we're about half done. Look at that, isn't that pretty cool? So I don't know, so I was calling it a snowflake, but honestly this could be the Christmas star. So that's probably what I would go with, is that it's the Christmas star. Or snowflake, whatever you wanna call it. But I think it looks more like a star so far. We'll see what it looks like when it's done. So I've come to the very end. Like, I could put another one here, like it's supposed. There. Like it's supposed to, but then there won't be enough room for another one, and that's going to be kind of funky. So I think I'm just going to pull these together and just hook them, and I think that will look pretty fine. So I think that's what I'm going to do. And voila, we have our star / snowflake. Look at that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and cut those little strings off, and we'll see how it stands. Because once again, just like when I did the cross, it's not structurally very stiff. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to have to do to actually make it stand up. Well, so we'll find out. I'm going to cut those off though real quick. Okay, it's decently structurally sound. But I still think if you're gonna hang it on the front of a building, isn't that so pretty? If you're gonna put that on the front of a building, you know, I think it'll be absolutely fine. But what I'm gonna do is that I want it kind of freestanding. I am gonna have to probably hook it to a fence post of some sort. So that's what I'm going to do. But anyways, I'm pretty happy with it. It's really cute. So yeah, how about we put some lights on it? What do you think? Okay, so what normal human being has a screwdriver that small? Why? Why? That's not like, what would I be putting together that has a screwdriver that small? Why? Just why would you have a screw so tiny? I did find something that I could get it out with. Hopefully I can get it back in. I got it all wrapped in lights, and I actually had this little snowflake decoration, so I just zip tied it to the middle just to kind of fill in that. And I put it in this corner because it's kind of the darkest spot in the room right now. So let's turn it on and see what happens, huh? Go, boop, boop. Aww, look at that. That's so cute. I love it. Isn't it pretty? So pretty. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe you learned something. Maybe you can try it. This is super easy. And I think it's really fun. So my next video will be me putting all of these decorations up in my yard. So you guys definitely want to tune in a couple of days when I upload that video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a good day and Merry Christmas. Bye.